Watch your hands.
I got it. It's in the car.
February 15th, 2024, Detroit, Michigan. An off-duty Detroit police officer was driving his personal vehicle when, out of nowhere, shots rang out. The officer wasn't hit, but he quickly noted the suspect's license plate and relayed it to dispatch.
Speed 65.
We have a unit for 6 over.
Alright, northbound Southfield Church Drive for Purple. Speed 25. Just hit a pole that kept you together, coming to a stop. Alright, successful cut. Alright,
Hands up! You move, I'm gonna kill you! Don't move! Keep your hands up! No! Don't move! Don't move! Don't move! Someone break out the window.
Let me see your hands! Keep your hands up! Keep your
Break out the
hands
driver
up!
window! Break out driver window! Break out driver window! Driver window! Driver window! I got him! Break it out! Thank you.
Do not reach!
Good. Cover, cover.
I'm scared! Don't shoot me!
Alright, he's coming out. Get hands over here.
Go!
Alright.
Go, there it comes.
Alright. More hands right here. Right in front of my car. Right in front of my car. Hands in front of my car. I need hands in front of my car. Come around front.
Secure, go secure.
Come around front. No, we're going to the front. In front of my car. I got right here. Get lumped in.
Okay, secure. Go ahead and buckle.
Got him?
Here's cuffs.
You got him? Just watch your hands. Watch your hands.
I got it. It's in the car. Secure.
Just keep your hands on that dashboard. Don't move it. Good. 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 All right. Bring him to me. Bring him to me. 1, 2, 3. Just watch your hands. Watch your hands.
I got it. It's in the car. Secure.
Just keep your hands on that dashboard. Don't move it. Good. 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 All right. Bring him to me. Bring him to me.
February 3rd, 2025, Interstate 40, Arkansas. A state trooper clocked an orange and black Dodge Charger doing 83 miles per hour in a 65 zone. Seemed like a routine stop, until the driver, Brandon Williams, suddenly hit the gas and took off, reaching over 140 miles per hour while weaving through traffic.
Trooper Evans, Arkansas State Police, reason I'm out with you for your speed. Got you at 83 miles per hour when you're coming at me. Have your license, registration, proof of insurance? Sir? Okay. How much marijuana do you have in the vehicle? Okay.
I smoked
Do you have any firearms inside the vehicle?
on my baby mama. I seen my little girl.
Gotcha. Is this your vehicle?
Yes, sir. What's your register me? I'm the 10.
Sir?
Everything will come back in my name.
Okay. Do you have insurance?
Yes, sir. I'll just see it come back. Now I'm looking for my registration.
Yeah. Go ahead and turn your car off for me.
Yes,
Step back here to my car.
Bravo, copy Yankee 388 Tom. Bravo, copy Yankee 388 Tom.
Okay.
And work to a runner.
Secondary, passing 282. We're at 140, passing 283. TBI.
TBI.
You fuck! You're gonna get shot! Do you understand? You shot! Get on the ground! Put your hands on the ground! On the ground.